Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Mazda CX-9. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. Nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. As you can see, good tread left on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout, and you have third row seating here as well. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, but first you have a sunroof up top. One more look down the side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and this CX-9 is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.